Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Hope in our last class you already understand the concept of single inheritance, and today we will try to explain multi-level inheritance. Class in Eclipse A, then under that A we will try to create a subclass or child class B, and under this B we will try to create another subclass or child class C. Okay, and this type of level we will try to implement in Eclipse. So let's jump in Eclipse and try to understand how it will work. So I have already opened my Eclipse IDE, and here I have created a package com.demo.multilevel, and here you can see I have created three class actually: class A, class B, and class C. Okay, and all these class you can see there is nothing, only the class signature like public class C, similarly this is public class B, and similarly this is something like public class A. Now, as per the structure, A is basically my parent level, top level, then BE will try to extend the properties of A, and from C we will try to extend the properties of B. Okay, so how we can do that? So before doing that, first try to create some method in each class. Okay, so under this A class, let's create a method display A, and here we will simply create a system.out.println message something like I am in A class. So this is a simple method display A, and here a simple message I am in A class, and this method is available under top parent class, that is basically A. Now save this file. Now the same thing, let me copy this one, and same type of method we will try to create under B and C. So under B we will try to create a same type of method, but this method name, let's say display B, and the message something like I am in B class. Okay, so this is a display B method under B class, where this method simply print a statement I am in B class. Okay, for C class try to create same type of method. Let's say its name something display C, and the message it will pass something like I am in C class. Okay, so I have three class: A class, that is basically top level parent. Okay, then a B class and C class, and each class have its own method, and it's print some or give some print statement. Okay, now this B class basically the child class of what? Child class of A. So how we can inherit A's properties? So definitely we have to use the keyword which is called extend, and from where I try to access the properties. So from its parent is nothing but A class. So that's why the signature is B extend A. Okay. Similarly, if we go to the C class, so C is basically child of what? Child of B. So we want to inherit the properties of B from the child class C. So here definitely we have to use the extend keyword, and from where we are trying to access this one, so from the parent class, that is basically B. So that's why the signature is C extend B. So now our multi-level inheritance is done. So A is basically top level, then B which extend the properties of A, then coming to the C which extend the properties of B. Okay, now try to test this one. So you have to create a main class. So on the same package I have already created a main class where I have the main method available. Okay, now what I try to access, first I try to access the method display C. So for the same I have to create an object instance of C, right? So how we can do that? So we know that, so under main method just use C, then small c is the instance name, then equal to, then new, and we know we have to call the constructor, that is something like this. Okay, now once your instance is ready, C instance is ready, that is basically small c. Now using this small c and dot operator, we can easily call the C class method, that is basically display C. So if I try to use this one, C dot display C, so this is the simple thing we know already, and once I call this, it will direct go to the C class, and here it will call this, and it will print I am in C class. So if this main class, I will try to run this, so you can see I am getting the message I am in C class. Now this C class actually extend the properties of B class, right? So what is the properties of B class? So under this B class, if I go to this B class, so under this B class there is another method called display B. So as I already extend the B class from C class, So in main method, with the C class instance, I can easily access the B class properties, that is basically display B. So I can create C dot display B, okay, and this display B is nothing but available under this B class, where the message, it will print something like I am in B class. So in main method, I have first create an instance, then I am trying to call the same class, that is basically C class method. Then from the same instance C, I am trying to access the properties of its parent, that is basically B class. So if I run it, so you can see first time I am getting I am in C class, that is nothing but the message of display C method. Now for this display B method, it's give me message I am in B class. Okay, now coming to the B class, you can see this B class basically extend the properties of A. And what is the property available in A class? So you can see display A method. As we are using multi-level, so we can access the multiple level from the C class, right? Because C class extend B and B again extend A. So that means from C class I can also access the properties of A class, which is the top level parent, okay? And the properties is called display A. Okay, so if I again go to the main method, so here again with the C instance, so C dot display A, this type of method I can also call. Now you can see here display C is nothing but the self method under C class, okay? Under C class display C method, and if you check this one, display B is basically parent class method and display A is nothing but the grandparent class method. Now if you run this main class, so it will basically print all these three statements. I am in C, then I am in B, and I am in A. So you can see from this grandchild level I can access the method of itself, then the parent and the grandparent, and if you have multiple level you can also access that one. Okay, so this is the concept of multi-level. Hope you understand, and in our next class we will try to understand or implement the hierarchical inheritance.
I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.